Guys, gusto nyo ba magka smart account nang di kayo gumagamit ng Switch server? Ito lang yan. Una, punta lang kayo sa Play Store. Search nyo lang ang parallel space. Yan. Then install nyo lang yan. Then ako kasi ano ko na kaya yan, pag inopen mo pupunta yan dyan. Then mag-add lang kayo ng account. Add nyo lang yung gusto nyong lagyan ng bagong account. Like na lang ng Mobile Legends. Oh, nakita yung smart ko.
I said I'm born this way, ayy. This is my chicks and my bonus play. Can't be late, won't hesitate.
Yan. Automatically, mag-o-open yan. No need to second yan mga par. Yan. Zusin. Yan. Dito ay ang pangalan ko is Sing Sao Iskamas Takao. Hindi nga pala dito, di masyado naglalawag. May basic server, wala akong smart. Then gawin nyo lang magpapak lang kayo. Yan, yun yung smart may magkakababayan. Then ito yung main ko.
Skin and room in my heart to plan a new dream. Memories are born, I long to connect. Joining in song, past and sex. Find your spirit.
Dito. Yan. Yung may parang bilog na pose na yan.
Find your mind, sing and live as we fight.
Yan. Click nyo lang yan, guys.
On a mission to protect, keep her energy intact. Music is our infinite power. Join in our fight, play through the night. We are infinite. We are infinite. And a new dream, memories are born. I long to connect, joining in song, past and sex. Find your spirit, find your mind, sing and live as we fight. On a mission to protect, keep her energy intact. Music is our infinite power.
Ako po yung isang beginner beginner po. Kaya one view, no view, 1 subscriber po lang po. Kung ako sa inyo, follow. I-subscribe nyo na po ako guys, na yan po yung pangalan ng aking name. Tsaka, subscribe nyo na guys. Na yan yung akin. Na yan yung mga video ko guys. Like nyo na, comment na kayo na ito po yung sa emote. Yun lang. Thank you.